Welcome to Aqua-Air, the marine industry's #1 source for electronic controls for air conditioning, refrigeration, and much more. This presentation provides an overview of Aqua-Air's vast array of drop-in compatible OEM replacement control boards, control displays, and keypads for the popular marine air conditioning manufacturers. The Passport I/O replacements. The 400 I/O control board is drop-in compatible with the original Marine Air Systems Passport I/O. It works in both direct expansion and chilled water air handler applications. The 402 I/O control displays, both the original legacy full-size and the newer compact size, are drop-in compatible with the original Marine Air Systems Passport I/O display with the large penguin logo facing right. Prior to the Passport I/O, there was a control platform known as the Passport 2, which has long been discontinued. These controls are not compatible with the Passport I/O, but they do share the same display cable and temperature sensors. The 400 I/O and the 402 I/O can therefore be used as replacements, but both the control board and the control display must be upgraded. You can determine if your original control is Passport 2 if next to the Marine Air Systems logo there is a small penguin facing left or no penguin at all. The SMX PowerLogic board replacements. The A288D replaces the original Cruisair A288C and A288T PowerLogic boards. It supports both direct expansion and tempered water operation via the cuttable jumper, and it supports all of the legacy SMX keypads via the original CXP cables or adapters and the original TSEP sensors. The A281C replaces the legacy counterpart of the same name. It is for DX applications only, and it supports the SMX2 AB keypad via the original 4-conductor CX display cable and the original 3-conductor TSE sensors. The A282 replaces the original legacy counterpart of the same name for direct expansion with the NC suffix, tempered water with the NT suffix, or coach applications with the LM or LMH suffixes. It supports all of the legacy SMX keypads via the original CXP cables or adapters and the original TSEP sensors. The SMX2 AB keypad replaces its original Cruisair counterpart of the same name. It is the only display that covers the original 3-knob mechanical control cutout, which are still being upgraded to digital controls to this day in older boats. The snap-on bezel is not included nor offered by Aqua-Air. The SMX IR replaces the original 3/4 design, and it is available in either direct expansion or tempered water versions. It works with all of the legacy Cruisair SMX PowerLogic boards and with the Unity board. The EasyTouch 6-pin control display is a color touchscreen similar to its 8-pin counterpart, but it is designed to be compatible with Cruisair PowerLogic boards. It supports the original or replacement A288 or A281C, the original or replacement QLogic PowerLogic boards, and the original or replacement Unity control boards. The QLogic PowerLogic board replacements. The MAQ replaces the original Cruisair QLogic PowerLogic board. It supports the QHT and Q3 keypads and the EasyTouch 6-pin control display. The EasyTouch 6-pin control display supports the original QLogic and the replacement MAQ PowerLogic boards using the same CXP display cable. The Unity control board and SmartTouch control display replacements. The Unity control board replaces the original Dometic control board of the same name. It supports all of the legacy Marine Air Systems Passport I/O and SmartTouch control displays and the legacy Cruisair SMX and QLogic keypads. The EasyTouch OEM control display replaces the original Dometic SmartTouch. It supports the original and replacement Unity and Passport I/O control boards using the original 8-pin display cables. The Aqua-Air Sapphire power module and thermostat replacements. The Sapphire power module replaces the original Aqua-Air power module of the same name. It supports the original 4-pin Aqua-Air Sapphire thermostat via an RJ12 to RJ11 adapter, or the replacement 6-pin Sapphire thermostat via a direct RJ12 6-conductor display cable. The Sapphire replacement thermostat replaces the original Aqua-Air TSV and TSW thermostats. It uses a 6-conductor RJ12 display cable, which must be adapted to a 4-conductor RJ11 if it is to be connected to an original Sapphire power module. The chiller control replacements. The MCC replaces the legacy Marine Air Systems DDC control. It is capable of directly driving a compressor up to 2.5 horsepower. The MCC Master replaces the legacy Marine Air Systems Chilled Water Master Control. It has an improved LCD design with better visibility and contrast, and it is capable of networking up to 6 chillers with the original DDC or replacement MCC controls. The Hydromatic 1 is the original Marine Air Systems legacy control, now discontinued by Dometic. Both the original 4-stage and the less prevalent 2-stage modules are still manufactured and available from Micro-Air. Both have upgraded hardware designs, providing even better reliability than the originals. To find out more about Micro-Air, please visit our main website at www.micro-air.com, or to browse and purchase Micro-Air products, please visit our e-commerce website at www.microair.net. Thank you for visiting Micro-Air.